We were approached by our local sales rep, Corky Livers, if we would like to participate in a pilot program regarding ClearSky and telematics. I guess two and a half years or so ago, and I said, absolutely. Not knowing all of its capabilities, but the little bit that I'd heard about it, I'm like, I'd definitely like to participate with JLG, and I think this is a great benefit going down the road, and I believe it's where the industry's going. We made the commitment probably a year or so ago for all new telehandlers and telescopic boom lifts that will be equipped with the ClearSky telematics on it.
We got 3,200 machines, just over 3,200. Probably 60% of them are JLG. We go all the way from a 150 Ultra Boom all the way down to a 12-foot scissor lift. So we've got pretty much everything JLG offers in aerial. We have telematics on about 100 machines in our fleet. We're right about 3%. We've seen such a value in ClearSky that we're now, every new machine we buy comes with ClearSky. ClearSky has really benefited us. We go out and do checks routinely after every 60 days. I can look at the ClearSky, check the hours, and know that we're not due for service, or know that we are due and we need to go there with the filters. It also tell me if the machine's been throwing any fault codes, so I can send a guy with the right parts. I think the biggest thing is it's saved us time.
The ease of use of ClearSky is tremendous. I logged in, got my password, got in there, and boom, boom, boom. It was really easy. I didn't even need any instructions. I was going all around and loving what I seen and didn't want to get out. So one probably wouldn't think that ClearSky would aid a collections manager, but I found that over and over we've had certain problems with customer disputes that we could go to ClearSky and resolve them quickly, efficiently. I know their word is their word, but when I have something like that to back it up, you know, it's a lot better.
We had a very good, long-time top customer that had transported a JLG 1350 Ultra Boom out of the country down into the islands. As a year goes by, they say, we can't find the machine. I asked Colby, our service manager, says, does this machine have the ClearSky on it? And he goes, yeah, it does. I says, well, can we shut it down? We haven't been paid. And he's like, I don't have the ability to shut it down. He goes, but we can find it. And we were able to give them latitude and longitude of exactly where the machine was located at, and within 24 hours they were actually able to find the machine. And that was great for them and certainly great for us.
When we get ClearSky on, say, 50, 60, 70, even 100% of our fleet, I think it's really going to make a huge difference. I mean, it's so helpful already, and it's only on 3%. So if you put that on 100%, it's going to be night and day difference. So when it's on our whole fleet, I think it's going to be a game changer.